In this video, I'll show you how to find out how many messages you've exchanged with someone on WhatsApp. It's simple, and I'll walk you through each step. First, make sure your WhatsApp app is updated. This is very important. After that, select the chat you want to check. This can be a group chat or a private chat. Next, tap on the three dots in the top right corner of your screen and select More. Then tap on Export Chat. You'll be asked whether you want to export the chat with media or without media. Choose your preferred option. Now select Drive as the location. Wait a few seconds, then save the WhatsApp chat as a TXT file to your drive by tapping Save. Once the file is saved, go to your drive and download the TXT file to your device. After that, visit the website shown and enter your name and your contact's name exactly as they appear in the chat. Select the type, choose Counter, then upload the TXT file of your WhatsApp chat. Finally, tap on Parse and you'll be able to see the results. And that's it. Now you know how to check how many messages you've exchanged with someone on WhatsApp. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more helpful tutorials. See you next time.